In the dear students, the next one concept that we are going to be learn in the matrices is that is nothing but the operation of matrices. In the operation of matrices, the first we are going to be learn is about the what? The addition of matrices. So here in the addition of matrices also we are going to be use more than the one matrix, like 2 or 3 or 4 matrices we can add at a time. So here I have given one sentence. This is not the definition, this is a sentence. Consider two matrix. That matrix is having a matrix A of order m into n and matrix B of order m into n. So when we can add the two matrix or subtract the two matrix? When both matrix are having the same order. Here A is also m into n, B is also m into n. Then addition of two matrices is A plus B. So here how to add the two matrices? So by solving simple example, I show you that how to add the matrix. By taking one simple example, matrix A is having elements 1, 0, 2, minus 3, and matrix B is having elements 5, 6, 8, 9. Then what is A plus B? So here, look here, the matrix A is having an order 2 into 2, 2 rows, 2 columns. Matrix B is also having 2 rows, 2 columns are having 2 into 2. Whenever we are going to do in the operation of matrix, that the addition or the subtraction, the same thing we have to do. Addition means we are adding the correspondence elements to the both matrix, and subtraction means we are the same thing we have to do, that the difference between or subtraction between the correspondence between the two matrix. Okay, so here in the addition or the subtraction, here the both matrix should have the same order that you should have to consider, and you should have to know it very well. Okay, then what is A plus B? So now how to do the A plus B? A plus B is equal to, A means this matrix I am going to be write 1, 0, 2, minus 3, then plus 5, 6, 8, 9. Then how to add these elements? So in the equality of matrix ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದು, the correspondence elements ಅನ್ನ equal ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ equality ಜಾಗನಾಗ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ? addition ಐತಿ. equality ನಾಗೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, addition ನಾಗೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, and subtraction ನಾಗೂ. subtraction ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದ, difference between two matrix ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? correspondence elements ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ look here, 1 plus of 5. Next, A11 plus A11, A12 plus A12, 0 plus 6. Next, 2 plus of 8, then minus 3 plus of 9. These are the art. We are going to add the correspondence element of the two matrices. Then 1 plus 5, 6, 0 plus 6 is 6, 2 plus 8 is 10, 9 minus 3 is 6. So this is also having the same order. Whenever do addition or the difference between the two matrix, again at the result will be the same order we are going to be getting. Got it? So again one more example I will take to solve this one, that how to do again the addition of two matrices by taking one simple example. So in the example what they have given, matrix A is equal to root 3, 1, minus 1, 2, 3, 0, and one more matrix what they are given, 2, root 5, 1, minus 2, 3, 1 by 2. Then find A plus B. So whenever to do A plus B or A minus B or A equal to B, we should have to be check what the order of the matrix. So what is the order of the matrix? Here we have the two rows. And how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3. So for this matrix also we have the 2 rows and 3 columns. So here we can consider that we can add the two matrix. Okay. So matrix A plus B equals to, matrix A plus B is equal to, what is matrix A they have given? Root 3, 1, minus 1, 2, 3, 0. Then plus I kept in between two matrix, we have the plus. plus one more matrix is having 2 root 5 1 minus 2 3 1 by 2. Then how to add this one? That correspondence element we have to add, that is a11 with a11, that is root 3 plus 2 1 plus root 5, then minus 1 plus 1, next 2 plus of minus 2, 3 plus of 3, 0 plus of 1 by 2. So here what we did here, that we have been add a11 plus a11, a12 plus a12, a13 plus a13, a21 plus a21. So we have to add their correspondence elements. So what will be the elements we are getting? Root 3 plus 2. We cannot add that, we have to keep it as it is. This is also the same as it is. Root 1 plus root 5, minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So 2 plus into minus is minus, 2 minus 2 0, 3 plus 3 6, 0 plus 1 by 2 is. So again what you are getting, the result will be 2 rows and 3 columns. So this is nothing but what? The addition of the matrix. Addition ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಿ? Addition, difference and equality be the same. What we have to do? Both matrix order should be the same. Okay. So the next one we are going to be study is about the what? The difference between the two matrices. So before going to study about the what? The difference between the two matrices, first we are going to be learn the properties of the addition matrix. So that you should know basically. They are not going to be asked any properties in the the addition matrix, but you should know the basic knowledge about it. Okay. So the first one is about the what? Commutative law. So here I am going to consider three matrices of same order, because here in the addition all the matrices should be the same order. Got it? So what is the commutative law is? That is what is commutative law is? A plus B is equal to B plus A. A plus B is equal to B plus A. By using the LHS, we have to show that RHS. So one simple example I will show here, that how the commutative law get exist here. Okay. So I will consider the A 1 2 0 minus 1 and matrix B, that is I will take it as 5 6 6 3 4. Now what I will do? A plus B. A plus B is what? A matrix is 1 2 0 minus 1 plus 5 6 3 4. Then correspondence elements we have to add 1 plus 5 6, 2 plus 6 8, 0 plus 3 3, minus 1 plus 4, that is 3. So directly I did here A plus B. So I have been add here the correspondence element A11 plus A11, A12 plus A12, A21 plus A21, A22 plus A22. Got it? The next one, B plus A. So first we have to write the matrix B, 5 6 3 4, plus the next one is matrix A, 1 2 0 minus 1. Add these. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8, 3 3 plus 0 3, 4 plus of minus 1, plus into minus is minus, 4 minus 1 is 3. So again you get the same elements like A plus B, 6 6 8 3 3. Therefore at the last we can say that A plus B is equal to B plus A. So here the what? The commutative law get exist here. This is one property. The second one, so the second one is about the what? The associative law. What is associative law? That is A plus of B plus C is equal to, that is A plus B of plus C. So this one is nothing but what? The associative law. Here also with the associative law get exists. So this one also the simple example I will solve here. I consider simple example I will take. Matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Matrix B is equal to 0, minus 1, 2. And matrix C is equal to, I will take it as the what? 0, 0, 1. So here, what is the matrix order of matrix A? This one. This is only 1 row, 3 column. That is 1 row, 3 column. This is also 1 row, 3 column. This is also 1 row, 3 column. Then what we have to, by taking LHS, we have to prove for the RHS. A plus of B plus C. First I will keep the A plus as it is. And whatever inside the bracket that they have given, no, that I will solve first. B plus C. B plus C is 0, minus 1, 2, plus C 0, 0, 1. Then A plus of B plus C. So we have to add the correspondence element. A11 with A11. 0 plus 0 is 0. A12 with B12. That is minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. This is what we get it as the result of B plus C. Next, A plus. A means what is the matrix they have given? 1, 2, 3. Plus B plus C is 0, minus 1, 3. Then it is 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 plus minus 1 is 2 minus 1. That is 1. 3 plus 3 is 6. So what we get? A plus of B plus C is 1, 1, 6. The next one, RHS I will take. But it is having A plus B of plus C. So whatever the inside the bracket that they have given, no, I will solve first that one. A plus B. A is 1, 2, 3. Plus B is 0, minus 1, 2. Plus C, I will keep it as it is. Then A plus B is 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 plus minus 1, that is 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 plus 2 is 5. Then plus C is, that I will write here. What is C? Matrix is having? C is having 0, 0, 1. Then 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. So this is what? A plus B of plus C is equals to B A plus B of plus C. So therefore we can say that A plus B of plus C is equal to A plus of B plus C. So here also associative law get exists. The next one, the third one is about the what? Existence of additive identity. So identity element get exist here. So idnnen prove ಮಾಡೋದೇನು ಬೇಡ. Therefore ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. A plus of dash is equal to dash plus of A is equal to, again we have to get it as A. A ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ, A ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ A ಸಿಗಬೇಕು. ಆರ್ ಎದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ನಾವು A ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ A ಸಿಗಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0. A plus of 0 is A. Then 0 plus of A is equal to A. So A means here the given matrix. 0 is what? Your 0 matrix. Okay. The next one, existence of additive inverse. That A plus dash is equal to dash plus of A, we have to get it as 0. So A plus of dash, we have to get it as 0. Then dash plus of A, we have to get it as 0. So A ಒಳಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾನು ಈಗ ಒಂದು 1 ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 0 ಸಿಗ್ತೈತೆ? -1. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ inverse of the additive, inverse of the additive is minus a. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಅನ್ಬೋದು, ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೋ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಡಿಟಿವ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾಯ್ತು? 0 ಈಸ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಎಡಿಷನ್. ಲೈಕ್ minus a is inverse in the additive property. Got it? So these are the what? The properties in the addition. Okay. The next one concept that you are going to be learn, that in the operation of matrices, that is the second one, difference of matrices. Difference of matrices is the same, on the same basis of the addition we have to do the difference of the matrices. So here directly I will take, consider two matrices. That is the matrix A. So directly I will take the example here. Matrix A is equal to 1 minus 1 2 minus 2. Then B is 0 9 minus 8 5. Then what is A minus B? What is A minus B? So A minus B directly I will take. A minus B is equal to A is 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 minus 0 9 minus 8 5. So already I told you that in the addition or in the subtraction, so difference under subtraction array. Okay, so in the addition or in the difference of the matrices, when it is eligible to do, when both are having the matrix are having the same order. So this is also 2 rows 2 columns, 2 into 2. This is also 2 rows 2 columns. So then only it is eligible to do the difference or the addition. Okay, so A minus B is equal to 1 minus 0. The correspondence elements we have to subtract. Minus 1 minus 9. Minus 1 minus 9. 2 minus of minus 8. 2 minus of minus 8. Minus 2 minus of 5. So here subtraction is how? A11 minus B11, A12 minus B12, A21 minus B21, A22 minus B22. That is 1 minus 0 is 1, minus 1 minus 9 is minus 10, 2 minus into minus plus 2 plus 8 is 10, minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7. So this is also having the same, that is 2 into 2 only we are getting. Okay, so this is nothing but what your difference of matrices. Same addition itta addition ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, correspondence element difference ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? subtraction ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. That is the difference between the two operations. Got it? Okay, the next one is about the third one. That is the multiplication of matrix by scalar. That is multiplication of matrix by scalar. So multiplication of matrix by scalar means matrix multiplication is different and multiplication of a matrix by the scalar. So by the scalar is that scalar is nothing but what? Your constant number, any constant number. That might be real number or any integer. Okay. So multiplication of matrix by scalar is different and multiplication of matrices is difference. Got it? Okay. So multiplication of matrix, for the given matrix it is multiplied with the scalar, that by the constant. If I consider example directly I will take. If I consider a given matrix A and that is having m into n order, matrix A is having m into n order, and K be the scalar. Then Ka is your what? The scalar multiplication for the given matrix. Ka is what? Your scalar multiplication for the given matrix. So I will take one simple example. If matrix A is equal to 1, 5, 6, 4, 2, 3, then what is 3A? Then what is 3A? So what is the matrix order here? How many rows are there from top to bottom? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. From left to right, how many columns? 2 columns are there. 3 into 2, it means 6 elements we have. Yes. Then what is 3A? 3A is equal to 3 into A. First you write 3. Then A is 1, 5, 6, 4, 2, 3. Then 3A means that scalar, that constant or that scalar is going to be multiple each and every elements of the given matrix. That you should know it very well. That scalar is going to be multiple to the each and every elements of the given matrix. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 5, 15. 3 into 6, 18. 3 into 4, 12. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 3, 9. So this is also having the same order. Sorry, that is 3 into 2. So this is nothing but the scalar multiplication. So for the given matrix, that is going to be multiple with the constant. This is nothing but what the scalar multiplication to the given matrix. Okay. The next one concept you are going to be learn is negative of a matrix. The negative of matrix is nothing but what? Let A be a given matrix. Capital A. Let A be a given matrix, then negative of matrix is denoted by what? Minus of A. So here that minus is going to be multiple to the each and every one. So minus, that is nothing but the scalar multiplication. Or we can write one more thing like minus A is nothing but minus 1 into A. So that minus 1 is nothing but the scalar multiplication. For the given matrix, it is going to be multiple. Okay. For example, if I take A is equal to 5, 9, minus 3, minus 2, then what is minus A? That is, here it is multiple with the minus. That is minus of A is equal to minus 5, 9, minus 3, minus 2. Or you can write this one is also like minus 1 into bracket 5, 9, minus 3, minus 2. Erdu ondare. Either minus or minus of 1. So when I multiply this minus to the each and every element, that minus is, because it is nothing but the scalar multiplication. Got it? That is going to be multiple with the negative sign. Got it? That is minus 5, minus 9, minus into minus plus 3, minus into minus plus 2. So this is nothing but what minus of A. So this is nothing but what the negative of the matrix. Okay. Now I'm going to solve some basic examples on the addition, subtraction, as well as on the scalar multiplication and negative of the matrix also. Okay. Here one example they have given. If matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, and matrix B is equal to what they have given, 3, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, then what they have said us to find 2A minus B. So we have to find out for the what? 2A minus B. 2a minus b is equal to, first what we have to do, first we have to multiply this 2 to the given matrix. First I will take only 2a. What is 2a? 2 into a is, that is a 1 2 3 2 3 1. Then what is 2a is, this is scalar multiplication, that each and every elements of the given matrix is multiple with the 2. That is 2 4 6 2 to the 4 6 2. So this is what we get, 2a. Then next what operation we have to do, 2a minus b. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ, ಯಾವುದು ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಐತಿಲ್ಲ, ಐದರ್ a minus 2b ನೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2b ಮಾಡೋದು, ತಿಳಿತಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ this is a very different. So look here, so many students have some questions in the mind that, so 2a minus b means we cannot do like 2a into minus of b. No, here there is a subtraction between the two matrices. One is 2a and b, in between we have the difference of the two matrices. ಸರ್ ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ? ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗೋದಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, 2a ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ದ ಡೌಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 2a ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2a ಮಾಡೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಿ ತಗೋದು, ಎರಡು ತುರ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ 2a ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್, 2a ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 4 6 4 6 2. This is 2a, then minus b is 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 0 2. Then both are having the same order, so we can do the subtraction. That is 2 minus 3, that a11 minus a11, b a12 minus b12, that is 4 minus of minus 1 6 minus 3 4 minus of minus 1 6 minus 0 2 minus 2. That is what we are getting. 2 minus 3 is minus 1, 4 minus into minus plus, 4 plus 1 is 5, 6 minus 3 is 3, 4 minus into minus plus, that is 4 plus 1 is 5, 6 minus 0 is 6, 2 minus 2, that is 0. So this is what your 2a minus 3 operation. Got it? So we'll solve some more examples here. Okay, so here one more example we are going to study is, what they are given, find the values of x and y from following equation. So we have to find the value of x as well as the y. So here they have given them, here they have given the matrix is like 2 into the matrix, that is x 5 7 y minus 3 plus 3 minus 4 1 2 is equal to 7 6 minus 7 6 15 14. So here first what we have to do, we have to add these two matrices, then after adding we have to compare the equality between the two matrices. Very simple. First equality ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು equality ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ತಪ್ಪಿರಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ before this matrix we have one more matrix is there. If we have one more matrix, then we have to do whatever the operation they have given, either addition, subtraction or the multiplication. Then after doing this operation of these two matrices, then we have to do with the equality. Got it? So here we have the scalar multiplication, that here each and every elements of this matrix is going to be multiple with the 2. Then what we are going to be get, 2 into x 2x, 2 into 5 10, 2 into 7 14, that is 2 into bracket y minus 3 is 2y minus 6. Got it? The 2 is going to multiple with these two elements. Then plus, write this one, 3 minus 4 1 2 is equal to 7 6 15 14. First add these two. Got it? Then a11 with the b11, that is 2x plus 3 10 plus of minus 4. Plus into minus is minus. 10 minus 4 is 6. 14 plus 1 is 15. 2y minus 6 plus 2. So 2y minus 6 plus 2 is like this. 2y minus 6 plus 2, that is 2y minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. That we can write 2y minus 4. Got it? Complete this matrix is equal to 7, 6, 15, 14. Then here we have the same two matrix order. This is also 2 into 2. Now we can do the what? Equality of the two matrix. So A11 equal to B11, that is 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. Next 6 is equal to 6. Next 15 is equal to 15. One more what we have? 2y minus 4 is equal to 14. Got it? Okay. So here 2x, take this plus 3 to the RHS, then minus 3, 7 minus 3 is 4. Then 2x, x is equal to 4 by 2. That is what you get, the value of x is 2. Here 2y minus 4 is equal to 14. 2y, if minus 4 goes to the RHS, then it is becoming plus 4. 14 plus 4 is 18. Then y is equal to what? 9. So here the value of x is 2, y is equal to 9. Then how to check whether these two values are correct? So yeah, only we have to, here only we have to check, here only we have to find out the value of x and y. Okay, so even though we can check that how to verify this x and y values are correct. So look here, 2x plus 3 is equal to 7 we have to get. So look here, this by this equation, 2x plus 3 is equal to what? 7. If I substitute x is equal to 2 here, then 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. So here x, and so like that y value also we can get verified. 2y minus 4 is equal to 14. Then if I substitute y is equal to 9 here, 9 2s are 18, 18 minus 4 is 14. So like here the values of x and y are correct. Okay, example we have that we have to compute on we have to solve this example. In between these two matrix, what we have, the addition, because this is the matrix is having 2 rows 2 columns, that is 2 cross 2. This is also 2 rows and 2 columns, that is 2 cross 2. Then A11 with B11, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Next one, b square plus c square plus 2bc. Yes. Next, a square plus c square plus into minus, that is minus 2ac. Next, a square plus b square plus into minus 2ab. Then what is a square plus b square plus 2ab? That is a plus b whole square. What is b square plus c square plus 2bc? b plus c whole square. What is a square plus c square minus 2ac? a minus c whole square. What is a square plus b square minus 2ab? So this is nothing but are having the solution, that is 2 cross 2. Got it? Okay. The one more example we have to see here, that what they have given, we have to simplify korbodu, compute korbodu, ella ondare. Okay, so we have to solve this one. Cos theta into bracket cos theta sin theta cos theta plus sin theta into bracket, one more matrix is having sin theta minus cos theta sin theta. Cos theta into bracket means this is a scalar multiplication, that each and every elements of this given matrix is going to be multiple with the cos theta. That what we are going to get here, cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, cos theta into sin theta. Yes. Next, cos theta into some plus into minus I will take outside, cos theta sin theta. Then this is cos square theta. So this is what one matrix we get. plus sine theta is going to be multiple each and every elements of this given matrix. That sine theta into sine theta, sine square theta. This is, so in between we have to addition. So addition I kept it as it is. Got it? So sine theta minus into sine theta into minus of cos theta, that is plus into minus minus, that is I can write cos theta into sine theta, no problem. Multiplication hengu bariri, 2 into 3 is same, 3 into 2 is same. Sine theta into cos theta or cos theta into sine theta you can write. Then sine theta into sine theta is sine square theta. Yes. Now in between two we have the addition, that is addition of the two matrix. This is also 2 into 2 matrix. This is also 2 into 2 matrix, that is cos square theta plus sine square theta. A11 plus B11, cos square theta plus sine square theta. Yes. Cos theta into sine theta plus into minus, so plus into minus is minus. Cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta into sine theta. Because plus into minus directly I put it as minus. Next, minus cos theta into sine theta, A12 plus B12, sorry, A21 plus B21. This plus this, plus cos theta into sine theta, then cos square theta plus sine square theta. Next, what is cos square theta plus sine square theta? By identity, that is 1. Already you have learned that property in the trigonometric function previous year. Cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta into sine theta, that is 0 you get. Minus cos theta sine theta plus cos theta sine theta, that is cancel, that is 0. What is cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1. So what is 1 0 0 1 matrix? That is nothing but your identity matrix, that is I, capital I. Yeah, you have to write, that is capital I. Got it? So this is also one of the examples. So we'll solve two more example here. So in the next one example, here what they have said us to find x and y if x plus y they have given it as 5 2 0 9 matrix, and x minus y the matrix they have given it like 3 6 0 minus 1. So look here, x and y are not in the small letters. The small letters, if they said us to find, these are the element, but capital X and y are nothing but what? They are the matrix. So we have to find out the matrix x and matrix y by using these two operations. So first I will write x plus y what they have given. X plus y what they have given? 5 2 0 9, and x minus y, x minus y what they have given? 3 6 0 minus 1. Yes. So first what I will do to find either the x or either the y. Now first x ರೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು or y ರೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 1 ತಗೋತೇನೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 2 ತಗೋತೇನೆ. ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಆಡಿಂಗ್ equation 1 and equation 2 ಎರಡು ತರನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. equation 1 ಮತ್ತು equation 2. LHS ಏನೈತೆ ನೋಡಿ, equation 1 ದ x plus y. ನೀವು LHS equation 1 ದ x plus y ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ RHS ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು equation 2 ದನು LHS ಇದೊಳಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, x plus y plus x minus y. ಅಂದ್ರೆ LHS ಅನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ equation LHS ಅನ್ನ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ equation ದ LHS ಒಳಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಿ. What I did here, I have been in equation 1 we have taken the LHS term, as well as in the equation 2 we have taken the LHS term. From the both equation we have to take LHS term and we have to add, because here what I have said here, to add equation 1 and 2 equal to, and in equation 1 RHS the matrix they have given 5 2 0 9. Next add equation 1 RHS plus equation 2 RHS, that is 3 6 0 minus. Very simple. First LHS equation ಅನ್ನು LHS equation ಒಳಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, RHS equation ಅನ್ನು RHS equation ಒಳಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. Okay, so here plus y minus y get cancelled. What is x plus x is 2 capital X, because that capital X is matrix and small x is element. Okay, so add these two matrix. 5 plus 3 that is 8, 2 plus 6 that is 8, that is a11 b11 plus a12 plus b12. 0 plus 0 0, 9 plus into minus minus, 9 minus 1 is 8. So this is what 2x iti. Take this 2 into x. If I take this multiplication to the RHS, then it is becoming 1 by 2. X is equal to 1 by 2, 8 8 0 8. Then multiply this scalar multiplication inside the bracket, then x is equal to what you get. X is equal to 8 by 2, 8 by 2, 0 by 2, 8 by 2. That what you get, x is equal to, this is 4, this is 4, this is 0, this is 4. So this is what matrix X you get. Next, what I will do here, you can do the second one. It has the what, subtraction between the two matrix also. Then you get the y. That is also one of the simple. ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, adding ಐತಲ್ಲ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ subtraction of equation 1 and equation 2 ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ subtraction ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ subtraction ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ, I will take this x and I will substitute in the equation 1 or in the equation 2. So look here, substitute this matrix X in equation 1. ನಾನು equation 1 ಒಳಗೆ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. What is equation 1 we have? That is x plus y is equal to 5 2 0 9. This is equation 1 already I have taken here. Yes. Then take this X matrix here. What is X matrix we get here? 4 4 0 4 plus y is equal to 5 2 0 9. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ರೀ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿ RHS. ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐತಿ, ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತೆ ರೀ, ಮೈನಸ್. ದೆನ್ y is equal to 5 2 0 9 minus 0 4, I'm sorry, 4 4 0 4. This is 4. Then y is equal to, so subtraction between the two matrix is what, 5 minus 4 is 1, 2 minus 4 is minus 2, 0 minus 0 is 0, 9 minus 4 is 5. So this is what your y. Then how to verify that x and y are correct here? ನಾನು equation 1 ತಗೋತೇನೆ. equation 1 ಏನೈತ್ರಿ, x plus y is equal to 5 to 0 9. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಎರಡು ತುರ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ LHS is equal to RHS ಸಿಗ್ತೈತೆ. x is what you get here, 4 4 0 4. Whether you get the RHS or not, that you have to check. Y is 1 minus 2 0 5. Just to verify, this you don't do in the exam. Don't do in exam. Just you have to verify this one. Okay, ಇಷ್ಟು ನೀವು x and y ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ನಾವು ವೆರಿಫೈ ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರ್ಸಾಕದೆ. How to check that x and y are correct here, x and y matrix are correct. So ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 4 plus 1 is 5, 4 plus into minus minus, 4 minus 2 is 2, 0 plus 0 0, 4 plus 5 that is 9. Is that your RHS? Yes, it means the matrix X and Y are correct. So this is how to verify the both matrix. Okay, so by pausing the video you have to note down the notes. So after this I will send you some examples as the homework that you have to solve in home, and you have to send me the solution of it. Okay, so I will check it and let you know which are the correct one and the wrong one. Okay, so if you have any doubts regarding this on the operation of the matrices, then you can ask me through the call, that I will explain in briefly also. Okay, so this is what the end of the class. So don't miss to give your attendance. So by watching the video, you have to give the attendance compulsory, reminded. Okay, and the homework you have to do it compulsory. Don't miss it, because while college gets start, so I will check the each and everybody's notes compulsory. Got it? Okay, so thank you very much. So after this class, I will send some examples from the textbook as the homework. So thank you very much. Thank you.